South African pet owners, listen up. There's an urgent recall you need to know about. The National Consumer Commission has issued a warning after RCL Foods recalled several dry dog and cat food brands. The affected brands include Bobtail, Catmore, Canine Cuisine, Optimizer, Ultra Pet, and Super Woof. About 55,000 cases produced between 26 to 29 May, 4 to 5 June, and 17 June 2025 are being pulled from shelves nationwide. So why? RCL Foods found elevated levels of a toxin called DON. It's a naturally occurring mold toxin found in maize. At low levels, it's usually harmless. But these batches had levels above the safe limit of 1000 parts per billion. So, what can this do to your pets? They may refuse to eat, they may experience temporary digestive upset. The NCC says you must stop feeding your pets these products immediately and return them to any retailer for a full refund, even without a slip. So, RCL Food says only the batches from the specific dates are affected and all other products are safe. So if you've bought any of these brands recently, check the production dates on the bag. If it matches the recall dates, return it ASAP. Your pet's health comes first. Stay safe, stay informed, and check your bags today. What do you think of this? Let me know in the comments.